So meet me again, Ray Photography 27. This time I want you to follow me for reviewing the Bburago Ferrari Race and Play, like we already seen here. So this is 1/8 scale from Bburago. This is Ferrari Monza SP1, the one that I always waiting for. Now I just got it from purchase order. So this is side of the box, this is back of the box. It's showing the different kind of the scale that Bburago has, and then this is the other side of the box, and this is the bottom of the box. As we can see, we got the official licensed product from Ferrari and Bburago, as you can see in here. Alright, let's check it out. Alright guys, so this is it, the Ferrari SP1 Monza SP1. So this is how it looks from the side view. In my opinion, this is a gorgeous model from Bburago because you can see the details. This is the front view. Can see in here, this is the top view, really nice, isn't it? This is the other side view, this is the back view, which also gorgeous with some carbon texture, and then this is the base. So pretty much flat for the base, but I haven't checked the real car one, but it's okay. Remembering the price, also nice. It's around, yeah, quite a bit, like 85 or 90 bucks. So it's not too expensive. As you can see in here, we got the features, opening door. This is SP1, so expecting just one door that can be opened. I hope later on the Bburago will be releasing also the SP2, which is the two-seaters version of the Monza. You can see in here the details for the cockpit. This is really nice with some decals on the steering, decals on the panel, the pedestals, really nice. And the other function is you can also have the opening hood, which also nice because Bburago in here using the some kind of hinge, pipe hinge, that not just using some hinge on the diecast or the metal side, but they also try to make it like the pipe. If you can see it, there's a left and right pipes that supports the opening of the hood, so it's really nice. They also painted the block machine for this SP1, which is nice. And other function is we also get the opening trunk, which is, I really love it because it means that this is fully open, and you can see there is also the carbon texture inside of the trunk, which is nice, even though there is no some kind of soft touch inside liner, but it's still nice in my opinion. The other function that we got is the steering wheels. The wheels steers along with the steering column, which is nice, added some more reality of these models. And the wheels also nice, quite decent, because it also has the caliper, the disc brake, which is nice, and added some details. The difference white of the tire is not clearly look if we are seeing from the bottom, but it still has the differentiation between the front tire and the back tire. Alright, so that's it, the review, the simple short review for the Bburago Monza SP1. I hope you enjoy it and become your reference to buy it. In my opinion, this is a quite good models. If you want to make more expensive models, but it cannot be openable. You can go for the BBR, but in my opinion this is can be playable, and this is pretty much can be more alive if you are taking some photo shoot, because it has a gorgeous opening parts and yeah, quite a bit decent detail. All right, thank you for following me for reviewing these models. Click like if you agree this is a collectibles models that worth to have, or click dislike if you are disappointed with this model. See you on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.